My beautiful friends, we're painting from dots again, but this one is so different and I loved it. I remember when I've done a trial on the separate page and I so regretted it that I never recorded that trial, because this was such a beautiful flower and the technique was so easy. Like now, few dots in the purpley pinky colors for the flowers, and underneath it few green dots for the leaves and stem. Look at it. I actually found the link for that flat brush. It's amazing. I found the whole set, the one that I'm using, loving it for so long, so check it out. Look at it. It's so beautiful and it's so different. I think the beauty of this technique is that you really don't know what you're gonna get. I'm adding some colors because I just felt it's maybe a little bit of mucky, which is a gorgeous colors. I love it, but I decided to add some more, and that's okay because everything is wet. Your pigment is flowing lovely. I'm adding even more purple, and of course I'm focusing my darker elements at the sort of where the stem will be, where the kind of center of the flower. I love it. Look at it. It's just really starting to look phenomenal and so different. And the stem as well. Look at it. Like it's one of my favorite of this technique projects I've ever done, because I think it looks so real, even though it's so very much not real. It's so abstract feeling, yet at the same time it really does look like a really natural looking sort of flower, and I love that. Touches of white. I like bringing light to the projects, and a lot of times white is such a great rescue. I know professionals don't use white. I wonder if you do use, but I love white. White in my mixed media, it's my great way to do stuff in my art journaling, and same for watercolors. I just love white. And of course I love my doodles. My flowers without doodles wouldn't be the same, so I just love it. And yes, I do indeed, like in the previous video with our purple flowers, I do indeed doodle on the wet, and it's fine. If you be unlucky, you will clog the pen, you will destroy the pen, because obviously this pen was not made purposely to write on the wet, but it does, and it does this amazing magic because the pigment is kind of dissolving, and I love it. And later on I will dissolve the whole doodles because I just loved it so very much. I think it's such a pretty picture. It's such a pretty flower. I can imagine this sort of thing being done as a center on your card. Imagine if you paint card for someone would be so very delighted to see a project like this, a very unique flower, because what I love about it the most is that you will not be able to recreate exactly the same. It will never be exactly the same with this technique, and I think this is the most beautiful part of this project, of this technique. This is the most beautiful way of being creative and so unique. So I would suggest you to really try it out. Let me know, have you tried this? Actually, you know what? I would love a little bit of a discussion. Do you think that painting with dots it's easy or difficult? I just wonder, should I continue with dot paintings ideas? The flowers, the butterflies, the other maybe animals, I don't know, maybe other types of flowers? Let me know. I loved it. I enjoyed making this so much, and I enjoyed looking at it while editing today. I just adore it. I hope you like it as well. Let me know your thoughts. Have fun painting and enjoy your day. I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.